building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. And here we are at one of the great venues for football anywhere in the world, Old Trafford in Manchester. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And we have live action from the oldest of all cup competitions, the FA Cup. It is Manchester United, and they take on Bristol City.
Well, there's nothing like a good cup run to boost confidence, and these two teams will be hoping this could be their year to win this tournament. Yes, there's a long way to go, but this is still a big game for both teams.
Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape. Well, here's the Bristol City starting 11.
Well, in this shape, unless their wing-backs play further forward, there won't be any width in their attacks, which then puts a lot of pressure on the strikers to provide the goal threat.
Thank you for attending the Theatre of Dreams. Enjoy the match.
The first half underway here at Old Trafford. Now Leon. Nicely timed tackle. Not the best challenge, free kick. Oh, good save. Excellent header. Corner awarded. Trying to pick out a teammate. Not to be advised giving the ball away there. Well, you never quite know who's going to emerge from the shadows and become a match winner.
Oh, big chance here, Derek.
And the keeper flings himself at the ball. And the short option preferred. It's with Rodriguez. Easy meet for the goalkeeper. And a tidy tackle. Can they take the lead here? Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
It's a short one. Chance. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. Textbook closing down, and now they're on the attack. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Caballero. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. Now can they create something? Marvellous anticipation. Oh, he's given us away inexplicably. Oh, could be. And a goal! Now they have their opener, and now they can celebrate.
Well, here it is again, and they've taken their goal well, but the defending was non-existent. That should never happen.
So underway again here, 1-0 the score.
There's a message for Aaron Welch. It's Aaron Welch. He's going to come to reception. Your
Oh.
wife is waiting for you. Thank you.
Can he take advantage? In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
So the ball rolling again, 2-0 the score. And he takes it away. Pope has it. What can they do from here? It's a good-looking ball in behind, and the keeper more than equal to it. Bodies forward, and the break looks on. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Well, it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end.
Well, there it is. United haven't had as much of the ball, but their speed of attack when they win the ball back has been breathtaking. It's been a really good...
Oh, wait a moment, Stuart. Look at what's happening. And the keeper has denied him.
Well, I've got to say, Derek, he was always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff.
They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Delivering it. A very effective clearance. The delivery. It comes to nothing in the end. And played the pass well. A very timely interception. Can he finish? Oh, he really bruised the crossbar. And problem solved for now.
Well, they won't come much closer than that. It's a matter of inches from being a really good goal.
Yes, a really open flow to the game. End-to-end stuff. Really good block. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Well, if truth be told, he made it rather straightforward for the keeper.
Well, he knows it. That is a real waste of a great opportunity.
And he read it superbly. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. Carl Naismith. And out for a throw-in, just misfiring with the pass. And that will do it for the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. So the ball rolling again, and United very much in charge of this one. So let's see how the second half pans out. Untidy in possession. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Well, they seem to be onto something positive, but it faded away. Machado. In it goes! The lead just gets bigger. Surely they can't let this slip now.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So the action underway once more, and it's beginning to look as though it's a case of how many for United. Into the advanced position. Marquez. Well, Chelsea have been busy in the transfer market, and the contract situation has been ironed out. We could see him in action pretty soon, Stuart.
Hang on, Derek, it's a chance here.
Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a good save that is.
And played short. Putting his body on the line. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. "30 minutes to go then. Oh, lovely ball. And it's still on. Well, from that sort of range, he really should be testing the keeper. No wonder he's frustrated with himself. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Machado. Gavi. Now, options are plenty. Is it going to be? Well, he so badly wants that hat-trick, Stuart.
Well, that was the chance for the hat-trick, but the way he's playing, he's surely going to get it today.
Gavi. Oh, he's given the ball away. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Now showing excellent judgment to intercept. Well, don't forget we have the decisive second leg of the Carabao Cup semi-final coming up for you live on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Stoke City.
Well, that has the makings of an absolute...
Oh, hang on, Stuart, look at this! Able to get his body in the way. Can he deliver it with accuracy? And a goal here! Accuracy with the header, just what they needed.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
For Bristol City.
So back underway at 3-1.
Harry Cornick.
Well, the seconds are ticking away and the home side in control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously been fantastic up front, but it's their work ethic for me. They're just not happy unless they have the ball, and they're fighting to win it back whenever they do lose it. It's been a really...
Can't miss, surely! Another goal! And surely there's no way they can throw this away! Absolutely dominant!
Well, as you can see, his movement is really good, which then makes the finish look easy. That's a decent goal, that's for sure.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Mark Sykes. Oh, that's a fine pass. And the flag does go up, offside. Well, we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. Oh, goodness, not the best of challenges. Now then, what's the referee going to do here? Well, now it really is threatening to go pear-shaped for them on the back of that, Stuart.
Well, that completes a terrible day for them. What was he thinking there?
Rodriguez. Marquez. Moving the ball effectively. Look, it might be. Well, it's ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort.
That's useful play. Terrific block. And the referee says corner kick. And a substitution in the offing. Delivering it. Well, he failed to get it away properly. And in the end, no damage done. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Opportunity here. A goal! And I tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
Well, it has been one-sided, but they deserve the plaudits for the fact that they've kept going and going. Harry Cornick. And a big chunk of added time here, a minimum of 5 minutes. Potts. And he's made headway. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. He's going forward well here. But the danger averted for now. The final whistle, and Manchester United move on.
Well, the result was never in doubt, was it? They controlled the game from start to finish, they created numerous chances, and they dictated the tempo. A very comfortable win for them in the end.
And in the final analysis, a really positive performance from this man, Stuart.
Well, he gave that back line a torrid time, didn't he? He was far too sharp for them, always looking to play on the shoulder, took his goals well too. Clearly the difference maker today.
Is it all right if we just ask you a couple of questions? Thank you for your time. Really appreciate that. That's all the questions we have for you.
Thanks for joining us. We're now ready for questions. Thank you for attending, everyone.
Hi, good to see so many of you here. Questions one at a time, please. That's all. Thank you, guys.
One man the focus of attention. It's been confirmed he'll retire at the end of the campaign. The action is next on EA TV. Well, everyone is happy here at Old Trafford for the time being. I say that because the sun is shining brightly. I'm Derek Ray, ready here in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder, Stuart Robson. And we're on the cusp of bringing you live action from one of the most exciting leagues in Europe, the Championship. It is Manchester United, and they take on Norwich City.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
The lineup for Manchester United. And here's the Norwich City starting 11.
Well, in this 4-4-2, the second forward has two jobs. Firstly, to find space behind the opposition's midfield, and secondly, to help out his central players when they haven't got the ball. He'll certainly be key today.
Thank you for attending the Theatre of Dreams. Enjoy the match.
Well, it might well be a game to savour. Manchester United kick off. Gavi. Machado. And Leon. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Can he make it count? And the challenge, crisp and clean. Well, there's no getting away from it. This is the man so many people have been focusing on ahead of this particular game. The rumours have been confirmed. He is elected to end his illustrious career at the end of this campaign. A massive loss for the club, Stuart.
Well, it's a great shame because he's been a joy to watch over the years. But he's certainly going out at the top, which I think is a really good decision, Derek.
Gibbs. Josh Sargent. Well, Manchester United impressed in the last game, winning against Ipswich Town. How do you see this one going, Stuart?
Yes, their 2-0 victory was fairly comfortable in the end. They certainly controlled most of the possession. Today, I think we'll see them dominate the play, create good chances and win the game. Let's hope they play at their best.
He must finish! Oh, that was a chance to give them an early advantage.
Well, they should be off to a flyer here, and that was a poor effort. He must hit the target.
And a change to the scoreline in the Sheffield United match. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
It's a goal for Swansea City. It's now 1-0 with 13 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex. Moving into the advanced position. Real chance. Oh, terrific save.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's a top-class save. Just look how he reacts.
And taken short. Has a go. Body in the way. Well, behind for another corner. Who's going to get on the end of it? Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Oh, he's blocked it. Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. Real chance. A goal! The opening statement of the match. A richly deserved lead. And now they can celebrate.
Well, as you can see, the weight of the through ball is key to this goal. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
So they're playing again. It's Manchester United with the lead here. Well, something has changed in the Huddersfield game. Let's find out what. Here's Alex.
Yep, it's a goal for Fulham. It was a nice pullback, a low-driven shot. They couldn't do anything about that one. They're the first on the score sheet here with 24 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Now with Leon. Room to manoeuvre on the wing. And it might be. And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration. So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Well read to ease the pressure. Oh, what's he gone and done? Must be. In it goes to alter the arithmetic and give them hope that they can turn this round.
Well, let's take another look. It's a really well-timed pass to break the offside line. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So there we have it, 2-1. Rodriguez. Gozens. Happy to pass the ball, but remaining patient. Well, trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball. Cho. Shemiswa Pwaheta. Chance to play it in. Moving forward effectively. the shot. Ball is loose. And the keeper hangs on at the second attempt.
Well, he's done really well, hasn't he? Great stop and then the reaction.
Gavi. Now with Leon. And the electronic board showing opportunity here. Oh, it's in! A two-goal cushion now. And the lead fully merited.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
And there goes the half-time whistle. We spoke about it earlier. United's fantastic record at home, living up to the... Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. Might be onto something with that ball. Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Well, someone has found the net in the Huddersfield Town game, but who exactly? Alex Scott can fill us in.
Yeah, second one for Fulham. Nice build.
Oh, hang on, Alex. Big chance here. Clears it away. Gavi. Machado. Well, the supporters think it's on. Got to it easily, the keeper. Gibbs. Not a good pass. Well, as you'll have noticed, we had to cut Alex a bit short just then. Oh, what an opportunity! Surely! And a goal. It was served up on a silver platter for him.
Well, let's take another look. Yeah, he won't get an easier finish than that. The defending was all over the place, though.
So the action underway once more, and it's beginning to look as though it's a case of how many for United. Chemiswa Poacheta. Oh, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Gibbs. He got in the way of that cross. Just not looking confident in possession. 30 minutes to go then. And the ball back with Norwich now. So a throw in here. And a double substitution it's going to be. Rowe. Given us away inexplicably. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
Well, it's been such a one-sided game. You just wonder how many more they could add. What a shocking pass, really. Well, someone has scored in the Huddersfield game. Let's find out who by sending us over to Alex.
Yeah, a third goal for Fulham. They've pulled one back and now trail by one with 20 minutes left on the clock.
Thanks as always, Alex. Difficult to stop him. And the keeper won't be complaining about that cross. Poor quality. Well, there's been a lot of speculation as regards this transfer and whether it would go ahead. It's finally been confirmed, Stuart.
Oh, Derek, what a great opportunity.
Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let up here.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Substitution for Norwich.
15 minutes left for play. Deserves credit for winning the ball back.
Coming onto the pitch, number 3, Sam Birrell.
And he might be through here. And the keeper nowhere to be found. Not that he's complaining.
Well, as you can see, the defending is really poor, but he won't mind. It's a simple finish for him.
Cho. Might be able to set up the chance. Just needs to get rid of it. Life is never dull in the Championship. Live action coming up for you on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Portsmouth.
That looks a really entertaining game. Two good teams with two excellent coaches. I can't wait for that one to come round.
Well, the cross came over and a real need to get rid of the ball here. Can he put it in? Was an important piece of defending. Far from a good pass. Mumba. So 3 minutes of stoppage time it'll be.
3 minutes of added time.
Can they get in behind them? Wan-Bissaka. Terrific block. And that is the end of the game. It goes down as a United triumph. Their fans are going to be happy with this.
Yeah, we've come to expect those sort of displays at home. They just play with so much creativity. And today, I thought the front players were almost unplayable.